This is our latest CNC end milling machine for aluminum profiles. It can connect with the cutting and milling center, or is used independently. Automatic dust conveyor. Label scan, one-click import. The X-axis guide rail is side-mounted to avoid contamination from debris. 2 motors, 4 blades to efficiently process. 0 and 90 degrees milling. It is suitable for strengthened mullion profile milling. The clamping cylinder is equipped with 4 guide pillars to ensure that the profile does not deviate. Milling multiple profiles at one time clamping.